guys, my name's Ashley, and I just wanted to create a short video and kind of talk about my journey online. So I had never done online marketing, online sales, anything like that until I signed up for MCA back at the beginning of August. And Jess was not my direct sponsor, but I was lucky enough to be placed in her Facebook group and her training site. And from there, I accessed her free training for MCA, which was just a series of videos, and from day one it helped me. That was just the free training. It helped me earn $500 a week with MCA in my first month. But I was pretty steady at that pay. I mean, each week I was getting the same amount of sales, and I wanted more. I wanted to do more, and I knew I could. I knew it was possible because I saw others doing it. And in this business, I truly believe that success follows success. And there was just something about her, just the way she motivated people that she didn't even know. I knew I wanted to work with her one day. And to boot, you will realize that the second you get access to her training, all of the answers are in there. Anything you can think of, it's in there. Any questions that you've ever had, it's in there. And especially if you're someone like me and you just need that guidance and that push from someone, you know, like I said, when you come into this blind, you do need that. She is that person. She is. She'll believe in you. She will not give up on you. She will help you. And the training combined with her coaching, combined with the results that have been given to me, I would invest in this training 1,000 more times if I had to, because the numbers are just undeniable. And I really want to harp on the fact that my first ad, you know, I already had a couple ads out, but my first ad, after utilizing her training, I only spent a little over $100 on, and I profited $2,400 in sales. I would have never even known how to do that if it wouldn't have been for these secret audiences that she helped me combine. So I can continue to do this. I can continue to work every single day and know that it is not for nothing. I feel so confident when I'm placing money on my ads. I know I'm going to quadruple my ad spend, if not more than that. So these audiences that Jess has helped me find, I mean, the results, the numbers just speak for themselves, you guys. Like, I really can't even explain. I didn't even know something like this was possible. So I know you're probably like me. You're sitting back like, oh my gosh, how are these girls getting all these sales? Or how are they doing this? Every single question that you have had in your mind, it's in her training. I just wanted to kind of show you guys. Sorry. So you can see my pay jump. I signed up right around this time. With the training, I immediately went to $650, and then my last one was $1,300. So that was a big deal for me because I have never seen results like that. Like I said before, I knew it was possible. I just needed to figure out how. So that's what I got paid last Friday, and then this Friday, I am getting paid for 22 sales. And again, that's all from implementing the training. And then for next Friday, I already have 26 sales, 4 today, and I actually had 9 yesterday. So these results are just crazy to me. They really are, and it's nothing that I'm used to. And just to also kind of show you guys, so you can see how my ad is doing. So you can see my results over here. I have 1,221 comments. So this is still the same ad, and it's still going. I mean, I'm getting all kinds of traffic on here. I've made a lot of money off of this ad, and it's just from combining that secret audience that she helped me with. So again, thank you, Jess. I really appreciate this opportunity, and I can't wait to see more results. Here's my back office just to show you guys. These are all the sales I haven't even gotten paid for yet. My last one, I actually got 88 per sale, which that is yet to happen as well.